cheese a little bit.
But yeah, they're right. That's an amazing suite.
Vamos, Chaco. Vamos, Chaco. Let's go.
Welcome, everybody.
We
Thank you
saved
for
the
your
best for
patience.
last.
We are thrilled that you're here.
Thank you.
We like to do this every year. We get the test. So without Tom, do you want to?
Yep. Welcome to Times Square. We're excited to be high atop One Times Square to test the iconic New Year's Eve ball. Every Broadway show has rehearsals. We want to make sure everything is set, and we want to test the star of the show, the New Year's Eve ball. I'm going to turn it over to Sarah Beth Reno from Carnival Cruise.
Thank you, Tom. Hello, everybody.
Hi.
How's it going?
Great.
Thank you. You know, we at Carnival consider ourselves America's cruise line, and nothing's more iconic than celebrating here at One Times Square the lighting of the ball. We've been doing this for 4 consecutive years, and we're really honored to be here to ring in 2025. We're really excited about 2025 because we're going to be opening our private destination in the Bahamas, Celebration Key, in July. She's going to be an amazing experience for all of our guests, and really a day in paradise, no matter how our guests choose to enjoy her. The other thing that's really great for us this year is we are going to be a founding partner in the National Medal of Honor Museum. Carnival really leans into celebrating and honoring our active and retired military guests who sail on our ships. We have a military appreciation each and every cruise, and we are so proud to be a partner of the National Medal of Honor Museum. And even I'm more proud to introduce 2 very important people. First is the president and CEO of the National Medal of Honor Museum, Chris Cassidy, as well as the National Medal of Honor Museum recipient, Earl Plumley. So I just want to say there's only 60 National Medal of Honor recipients that are alive today, and Earl just happens to be one of them. So you're in very special company. And I have to say that, you know, Chris used to be a Navy SEAL and an astronaut, so the resumes are looking pretty beefy over here. So please.
Well,
say
Sarah,
a few
thank you
words.
so much. It's an honor to be partnered with you and Carnival and to be here with Times Square Alliance. When the world thinks of New Year's, they think of this ball. This ball is the hero of the show. And at the Medal of Honor Museum, we're going to highlight stories of our nation's heroes like Earl.
And I'm just excited to be here.
So are we.
You know, I think you know, every year of my service, wherever we're at, we always watch the ball drop. So I've seen it from almost every clime and continent of the globe, and getting to be here and see all the work that goes into it is surely special.
We are truly honored to have you here with us to help burst the ball. And thank you both. Thank Carnival. One Times Square Alliance. We're getting ready for the big event. We're going to need all your help. We need your guys' help too. We're going to count down 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sherry and Sarah Beth are going to flip that giant switch, and we're going to make sure that everything goes just right for New Year's Eve. You guys ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Here we go.
15 seconds. 10.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year!
There we go. Good job. Good job.
2025 is going to happen.
See all the
Check out that.
triangle lights up.
kaleidoscope above Times Square.
Unreal.
What's truly unreal is as we watch that ball go up, when it comes down, in less than 24 hours, over 1 billion people around the world will be counting down together. And I'm just fascinated. Watch that same ball drop, watch Times Square. The world really comes together watching that ball. There's no other moment like it where you have over 1 billion people doing the same exact thing at the same time, in unison, filled with hope and joy for the new year. It's amazing. Ooh, look at that.
Better be right. Yeah. For sure. Have fun at home.
When that ball descends and it goes dark and 2025 lights up and the sky fills with that colorful confetti.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Nice.
Okay. John, you gonna take it down?